Picture this. Aisha has an amazing recipe for cupcakes, and Raj is great with managing money. One day, they decide to start a bakery. Aisha will bake. Raj will handle the accounts. They'll split the profits 50 to 50. Simple, right? But wait, what have they just done? Welcome to the world of partnerships, a concept that blends trust, teamwork, and finance into a formal business relationship. In this video, we'll explore the nature of partnership, what it means, how it works, and why it's essential for any aspiring entrepreneur or commerce student. Let's define it properly. According to Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act, 1932, a partnership is the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. That's a legal way of saying a group of people agree to run a business, share profits, and trust one another to act on the group's behalf. Now, let's unpack the 6 essential features that define a partnership. Think of these as its DNA. 1, 2 or more persons. You need at least 2 people. That's non-negotiable. No one becomes a partner with themselves. 2, agreement-based. A partnership starts with an agreement. It can be verbal or written, but having it in writing is always smarter. This document is called the partnership deed. 3, business must be involved. This isn't about jointly owning a plot of land. Unless there's an active business with the intent to earn profit, it's not a partnership. 4, mutual agency. This one's crucial. Every partner is both an agent and a principal. If Raj orders supplies, Aisha is equally responsible. Each partner can bind the firm and be bound by it. 5, sharing of profits and losses. It's not a partnership unless everyone shares profits and losses. Even if the agreement only mentions profits, losses are assumed to be shared too. 6, unlimited liability. In a partnership, if the business owes money, creditors can go after personal assets of partners. That's why choosing your partners wisely is key. Partnerships are everywhere. From small retail stores to major legal or accounting firms, think Deloitte or Ernst & Young, many businesses operate as partnerships. Even startups often begin this way. One founder codes, another handles marketing, a third brings in funding. They team up, share risk, and grow faster together. Let's be clear, not every joint venture is a partnership. If 2 cousins inherit property and collect rent, they're co-owners, not partners. A charitable mission, no matter how organized, isn't a partnership because there's no profit motive. A partnership must tick all the boxes: agreement, business, profit sharing, and mutual agency. So, why is all this important for accounting? Because unlike a sole proprietorship, a partnership involves multiple capital accounts, profit-sharing ratios, adjustments for salaries, interest, and drawings. Accountants must know how to maintain accurate records, especially when partners join, leave, or dissolve the firm. This chapter builds your foundation for handling all those scenarios. To wrap up, a partnership is more than just working together. It's a legal bond built on mutual trust, shared profits, and joint responsibility. If you dream of starting a business or becoming a financial professional, this concept is your starting point. In the next video, we'll explore the partnership deed, your business's blueprint. See you there.